When you think of aflatoxin, think liver. That aflatoxin is so hard on the liver. It's actually been classified as a group 1 carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer as a recognized human carcinogen for the liver. And here's what drives me nuts. It's from an Aspergillus species of mold. So it's from Aspergillus flavus and parasiticus, which a lot of inspectors are saying to people, we see that all the time. That's not the bad mold. Don't worry about it. I'm here to tell you from the human side, these are molds that you need to remediate and get out of your building. They are not safe. I mean, I just told you that they make a mycotoxin that can cause liver cancer. So not to scare everybody, but just to protect you. You know, it drives me crazy when they say that, because just because it's not black mold or Stachybotrys doesn't mean it's fine. It can cause hepatitis, cirrhosis of the liver. Even if somebody has never had an alcoholic drink in their life, they can develop cirrhosis from exposure to aflatoxin. Aflatoxin is correlated to virally induced cancers, such as if someone has had hepatitis B and they have aflatoxin exposure, they have a higher risk of developing the liver cancer.